His name is Sai Jain, age is 24 years and today date is 22nd August 2024 and complain of high-pitched voice even after puberty and in finding is minimal phonatory gap. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
So hi doctor, my name is Sai Jain. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm 24 years old.
So what challenges you are facing in day-to-day life in communication?
So in daily face-to-face communication, I wouldn't face any challenges, but the main problem is when I'm talking over the phone or over any Zoom calls or audio calls, especially.
So what happens that time?
So people either think I'm a female or they don't understand my actual voice. So they think sometimes I'm replacing myself with someone.
Voice sample after therapy and today date is 29th of August 2024. So why you came here and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
So doctor, I had a high pitch voice problem and later after laryngoscopy I found out that I had phonatory gap. So yeah, I came to you for treatment.
So what changes you are observing when you have compared your pre and post treatment voice sample in your mobile and what comments you are getting from your friends and relatives?
Yeah, so after the treatment, many of them felt a significant change. So my bass and the pitch has reduced and the bass has increased in my voice. Yeah, so yeah, that was the feedback I got from many people.
And in fact, phonatory gap treatment is quite challenging also, and together with the high pitch voice, sometimes delaying treatment, taking wrong treatment may result into the phonatory gap. What I've seen, some vocal abuse in some cases. But of course, you are feeling some changes and good changes. I'm very happy for you.
Yeah.
What is your mother tongue?
So my mother tongue is Telugu, doctor.
So can you tell in Telugu exactly what was the problem, what was the ENT finding and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
సో నాకు ముందు నుంచి హై పిచ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండేది. సో నేను హైదరాబాద్లో ఒక లోకల్ డాక్టర్ని కన్సల్ట్ చేస్తే హై పిచ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉందని చెప్పారు. సో ఇంకా తర్వాత నేను ఎప్పుడూ ట్రీట్మెంట్ తీసుకోలేదు, ఎందుకంటే ట్రీట్మెంట్ 2-3 months టైం పడుతుంది అన్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను లారింగోస్కోపీ టెస్ట్ చేయించుకున్న తర్వాత నాకు ఫోనటరీ గ్యాప్ ఉందని తెలిసింది. సో అందుకే ఇక్కడ బెంగళూరులో సంజయ్ డాక్టర్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చాను. సో ఇక్కడ నేను ట్రీట్మెంట్ తీసుకున్నాను.
Okay, so you are telling the local doctor told it will take long time and you have improved in lesser time.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, doctor.
Thanks for giving permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his pre and post treatment voice, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation and they can reach to the right place for their voice treatment. Thanks for watching.